Ricky Phillips. We're here at Oakville Iron, home of Big Blu Power Hammer. What I'm going to demonstrate today is forging a large leaf out of 1-inch solid round using, since we have all these hammers aligned, I have one hammer set up with combo dies, one hammer set up with crown dies. What I'll do is I'll shape the blank first with the combos by drawing a quick tape from one end to the shoulder and drawing out the stem of the leaf. And then I'll take it over to the crowns, flare the leaf out and give the leaf life. Did was I drew the stem out. Then what I like to do is come back, sort of match the taper I did on the end to the back, so it eliminates sort of that hard line a lot of power hammer leads you see have. And then what you do under the crowns, I mean, you always start in the middle. You start working the material out from the middle. And you can either do it on one side of the die only, you just flip it over and do it like this, and then to get the lines in it, there's a couple ways you can do it. You can just come in and just work it down like this. I like to start down here, you pull it out, and just keep turning it a little bit, and that gives it a nice line. So you can see how thick this leaf is. It's really good. I like to make them thick like this if I'm going to do some exterior architectural work, ornamentation, things like that. It seems to hold up more, especially if it's a public piece or something like that. They don't break off as easy. And so that's basically a if you're in a shop with just one hammer, what you'll want to do is forge all your blanks first, do all your combo die work first, switch over your dies to the crowns, then do all your crown work. There you go.
Okay, so you've seen Andy forge out a leaf under our Big Blu 110 that we have here in the shop. So let us know what you think. Leave us some comments below and check us out at bigbluhammer.com. And y'all have a good day. Thank you.
You know you want one. Buy it now.